Alright guys, here's the dead bird. You guys can't see it, but he's there, dead, on the ground. We dig them up. It says from KDKK Rip Birdie. The creators were Jay Lee, which is my cousin over there. My other cousin, wherever she is, and my cousin over there with a scooter, and me. So far, guys, this was the saddest moment of my life. Do you guys want to know what happened? Somebody threw a freaking rock at it. I saw it happen, but I yelled at the person. Then he started running away, and I couldn't catch up to him because he was too fast. So then I went over there, and the nasty part was that ants were going inside of the butthole, but we cleaned it, and all the ants are out. It was nasty when we saw the ants getting inside the butthole. Some of them were taking the meat out. And guys, the sad thing is that we had to dig it up. Guys, this is bad. This is the baddest day of our lives, the bird's life. And right now, a few hours ago, there were birds right there looking at us dig their friends, and this is a queen baby bird because we recognize the feathers. We recognized the feathers, and as you see, the feathers and the flower. We decorated it. Well, this bird died. But we had this bird, this bird died about, how long? Oh yeah, not 50 years ago, what am I saying? About 50 days ago. So, as you guys saw, we were all talking about, why did they kill the bird? So, yeah. And guys, this is the end of that video. So, see you guys in the next video. Say bye.